I want to mention that a hallmark of our program is the inclusion of a requirement to complete a qualified internship in the field of accounting. This internship requirement is structured as a semester-long experience with the intention of helping to prepare you for your career after graduation. Securing the internship will be your responsibility if you're admitted into the program, but know that the full weight of Penn State University, the Smeal College of Business, and the accounting department at Smeal are here to support your efforts in securing a qualified internship. And it's important to note that we've had great success in getting our students in front of companies who are ready to offer you an internship. Companies that hire our students know they're getting the best of the best. The internship requirement is something that has become a signature part of our program as it helps to directly prepare you for the career you'll be entering after graduation. Our typical plan involves having you take courses in the fall and spring with a spring graduation date. This works well if you're bringing a qualified internship into the program. And I'm talking about folks who have completed a qualified internship after earning their undergraduate degree, but before starting our Master of Accounting program. For those folks, the plan is for fall coursework, then spring coursework, and then a spring graduation. But we also have an option for you to add a third summer semester if needed. This works well if you've not yet completed a qualified internship when you start our program. The plan here would be to complete fall coursework, then complete spring coursework, and then complete a qualified internship in the summer semester after completing your coursework. Folks pursuing this plan would then graduate at the end of their summer semester. But there's even another option available to you. We offer an opportunity during the spring semester to pursue a volunteer internship in our Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. We call the program VITA for short. And a VITA internship counts as a qualified internship in our program. It's something that can be completed on top of your spring coursework. So if you'd like to pursue a volunteer internship during the spring, and while you're enrolled in your spring coursework, then this option would keep you on track for a spring graduation date. More than a few students pursue this option, so it's something that does work.